dressing room? What you want?
Okay. Say what?
It's all about the game, the rules you're gonna follow. But I say you got too much on your mind. If you're ready to unwind, let me show you a good time. Hit up your friends and tell them to tell their friends we're ready to go.
Hey!
Front of the line and top of the world, I think you already know. Right here, right now, it's everything. Make it work, remember it, no one. Here you all get up and sing. We'll still be going after the lights go out. We ain't got anywhere to be. We got the title lock with a master key. We're gonna throw it down till we can't see. But we'll still be going after the lights go out. Oh, oh, 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 after the lights go out. Some days I just really be away.
Yeah.
I don't know how much I can take till I gotta get away. Tonight, gonna get just what I need. Gonna change the scenery. The best share for me.
So hit up your friends and tell them to tell their friends we're ready to go. For the rest of your life, beginning tonight, I think you already know.
Right here, right now, it's everything. I'm gonna make it worth remembering. Don't wanna hear you all get up and sing. We'll still be going after the lights go out. We ain't got anywhere to be. We got the title lock with a master key. We're gonna throw it down till we can't see. But we'll still be going after the lights go out. Oh, oh, 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 after the lights go out.
It's a blackout, lights out, party just begins. It's your light skin dancing man back with his friends. It doesn't matter how much money you spend because experience is greater than wealth.
I like money.
It's zero, just do what you want and you should live life. That's right, do what you want. I got the night unlocked with a master key. We doing anything, everything passionately. Tell them E. Yeah.